Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious salsa verde. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious salsa, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 3 chiles serranos or jalapenos, 10 tomatillos, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first you want to make sure that your tomatillos, your chiles serranos, and your onion are washed and make sure that you dry them. So now we're just going to cut our tomatillos in half. Alright, so for our chiles serranos, we're going to remove the stem and cut them in half. Alright, so for our onion, we're just going to break it down. Okay, just like that. So once we have everything ready, we are ready to fry them. Alright, so in a frying pan, I'm going to set it on medium heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. And once it heats up, we're going to start to fry our tomatillos. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to start to place our tomatillos on our pan and begin to fry them. So we're going to leave them in here until they start to change color. Alright, so once you see that your tomatillos are changing color, remove them from the pan and start placing them on your blender cup. And you don't want to overcook your tomatillos, otherwise you're going to end up with a bitter sauce. But don't worry, if that happens, just add a pinch of sugar and that should be able to fix it. Alright, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. And now we're going to fry our onions, chile serranos, and garlic cloves. So we're just going to fry them for a couple minutes. And then we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to transfer everything to our blender cup. Alright, so now we're just going to add our salt and pepper, and that's going to be to your liking. And now we're just going to blend everything together until we have our sauce. Alright, so once we have our salsa ready, now we are ready to transfer into our bowl. Okay, so just transfer, and of course you want to try it for salt, and if it needs any, just add it. Now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and here we have our salsa verde. Now you might want to let it cool down for a little bit before enjoying it, but let me tell you that it is delicious. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. This salsa is perfect for tacos, so I wish I had a taco right now, but chips will do. Let me grab more. So delicious. Like I said, this is perfect for your tacos or all your Mexican foods. So good. Hope you guys give it a try. And I mean, the chiles, you can always adjust it to your liking. For me, 3 chiles serranos is perfect. It's not too spicy, but you know, you're still able to enjoy it. So hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious salsa verde. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this salsa, please don't forget to tag me at any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres